Hello everyone, today I have a review of another folding knives from the Chinese company OK Knives. This time they are front flippers models, Viper and Shark. The knives come in a nice zip cases with the company logo. Both knives have a similar dimensions. Total length is approx 18 cm, blade length is 7 cm, blade thickness is 3 mm, and the steel of the blade is VG10. It is a quite good Japanese stainless steel, tempered to approx 60 HRC, flat grinds. On the blade the company logo, OK. On the other the steel name, VG10. The Viper's lock is a frame lock. The Shark has a liner lock. As I mentioned, both knives are front flippers. The handles are made of titanium. The Viper model has a profiled handle. I really like this Viper head motif. It also reminds me a bit of an alien head with green eyes. The handle of Shark model is simpler, more minimalist, with the black insert. The back spacer has a Greek pattern. The pocket clips are also made of titanium. The Viper model has a slightly more fanciful design. In summary, quite interesting, small front flippers. The Shark model very minimalist, but at the same time quite futuristic. It has something intriguing, interesting, it's different. This is the first time I've seen a knife like this. The Viper model has a more aggressive design. Both knives have a good mechanics. If you look for something unusual, these models are quite an interesting option. That's all this review, thanks for watching.